Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a 4LT, quite a unique car. Not many of them are 4LT. This one's got just 56K, nice local car. Here is the car cover for the car, the front license plate, a few other little goodies in here, the pucks for jacking, etc., all right there. So pretty awesome little car. Have a look in the seams, looks fabulous. All polished up, looking gorgeous. It's got NPP performance exhaust, so you can see the butterflies on there. Nice little chrome bit at the back to give it a little addition there, and the stainless steel mesh. It's got, of course, Z51 as well, so you've got cross-drilled rotors, larger brakes, larger circumference there. It's got Eagle F1 tires, which are awesome. On the inside here, this is the 4LT with the luxury leather, so the dash is actually done in leather. Check that out. See the stitching there? That is gorgeous. So a beautiful leather dash and leather console with better leather seats with the perforated and the two-tone color interior. Looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? So the door panels as well are leather, so that's gorgeous. Nice looking kick plates on the doors, door sills there, and chrome door handles there, wire mesh in the gills there, and have a look at the chrome wheel here, no curb rash, Z51 rotors and calipers, Eagle F1 tires, pretty fabulous. Under the hood, 430 horsepower LS3 V8, just clean as a pin, gorgeous, gorgeous car. Have a look there. So let's close the hood now, go around the front, have a look here. Stone chips, there's one right there, so a little stone chip there. But overall, there's another little chip there. No big deal, but I want to point them out to you so you can see what you're getting. Otherwise, good looking car. Have a look at this front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just looking gorgeous there as well. Painted rotors, painted calipers, and ditto on the back with that Z51 suspension, stabilizer bars, and cross-drilled rotors. The door panel on the driver, also leather, beautifully sewn in. You've got the driver memory package, power windows, power locks, power mirrors there, as well as the Bose sound system. And the seats looking great, super condition, no worries there, looking fabulous. Love that two-tone interior and the embroidered logo in the headrest. And look at that waterfall, just gorgeous, isn't it? And let's climb in and we'll fire this one up, shall we? Nice. So that's the performance exhaust that you just heard, NPP, which will fire up and open flat, and then we'll slow down a little bit until you change it. You can also put mild to wild in there and set it so that you can have it wide open all the time. This one has navigation that you can see right there. Up here we've got 56,790 kilometers. We also have heads-up display, which you can see there. There are the controls for the heads-up display. Over here is your driver information center and push button start. This is the controls for your radio, and then paddle shifters right here, plus and minus for your paddle shifters. There's your power trunk, power gas door, and then the big news here is the magnetic selective ride suspension, switch from tour to sport at the flick of a button. Also heated seats, the automatic transmission, of course, and when you put this in S and then you shift up here, you've got paddle shifters right here that will automatically shift for you. And then under here you've got line in and a nice little glove box there. I forgot to check the glove box over here, and yes, the nav disc as well as the books are with the car, so as you would expect. So let's put the power top up now, and I'll just show you how that operates all by itself. Get my arm out of the way. Opens up, roof comes up, top comes down, the waterfall slides into place and closes, and then the back window closes, and the front window, and then all we're left to do is to just turn this little knob like that, and that's it. We'll put the windows up and we'll show you from the outside now. Fabulous car. The NPP performance exhaust, of course, doesn't sound like much unless you have the mild to wild all the time, but under throttle, under load, that opens up and really makes some gorgeous sound. So there it is from that angle. Have a look here. There she is, all lit up at the top up, looking gorgeous. Listen to that exhaust chug, that is gorgeous. That's awesome sound. Love that. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 4LT Z51 automatic paddle shifter navigation. Oh my gosh, everything right there. Just $56K here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.